Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Bree. I talk about all things vegan and cruelty free and mostly beauty, and I finally got my Boxycharm. I've been waiting like all day for this, and yesterday it was come, so 6 o'clock literally just got delivered. I get the Boxycharm premium box as well as Ipsy. This is PR, this is not. So yeah, this is the Tarte box, the Tarte Takeover box. Okay. So we got a full size of the Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara. I have not tried this in years and years and years, so I'm really excited to try this. I'm not gonna put it on right now, but I'm really excited. Packaging is like a fabric kind of material. It looks almost like snake skin, but of course it's vegan. And by the way, all the products are vegan, I checked. And then we have, and I believe everybody got the same items, except for you could choose what shade for the lip and the cheek. Okay. And then we got the, I have not tried this. It is a, let's see, what is it? The Black and Brightener. It is a duo eyeliner with a micro liquid liner. It's black, and then it's a brightener micro eyeliner, like basically like, so it's a double take awake. So a nude eyeliner and then a black liquid liner. I'm really excited to try this out. I have not tried this before. I don't know if I've had an eyeliner from Tarte. I don't think so, and I don't think I've tried any of their liquid liners, but I'm excited about this. Okay, so it's a little like thicker compared to like some pencils. It is like a point also. Okay, so far so good. I'm going to put these in my Shop My Stash, which I have filmed, but I was waiting on this, and then definitely, yeah, micro tip. Okay. Very, very black. I already bled into kind of one of my lines of my hands, but hopefully it doesn't do that. And then we have the Maracuja Juicy Lip in the shade, what is this shade? In the shade Orchid. We have these at Ulta as well as Sephora, but I work at Ulta. We have the minis in Rose, I believe, because I stock it all the time. This is interesting. It's kind of like a click pen. I've not tried this. All right. Oh, okay. So you push up. Okay. Okay. Very smooth. Definitely juicy. It's like a nude. Smells a little bit vanilla-y. Ooh, but I guess it doesn't go down, so I have to be careful how much you put up. That's pretty. All right, and then we have the Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Hydrant. Yeah, I love the color. Feels really nice. Very moisturizer. Moisturizer. Let's see how it's a scent. Ooh, it's like a gel. Very like cleaning products, I guess, kind of. Not like in a bad way. All right. Oh my God. Okay, it's spilling. All right, be careful with that. I didn't even like, all right. I don't know how that happened. Got like a big blob of it. I don't know how that happened. I literally, like, they had a little thing on top, but geez, yeah, it's very hydrating, but like you only need a little bit. It's like a gel, but like a thick gel. And put some on my neck. My hands are gonna be all slippery. And then I have the Tarte C Cream Blush, or Breezy Cream Blush in the shade Peach Sunset. There were, I believe, 3 options for this, and then like 3 shade options, and then 3 options for the Juicy Lip. Cute. And then, ooh, that's pretty. Oh, I like the mirror. It's a really nice mirror. Ooh. I was waiting for this to be my Shop My Stash too. So, oh my God, I don't want to get like... Okay. Ooh. It has like a, kind of like a, almost like a balmy feel to it. Pretty. So that is, oh, and oh yeah, the eyeshadow palette, which I don't think I'm gonna try this, honestly. I mean, it looks pretty, but like, this is, by the way, a Boxycharm exclusive. It's like a Boxycharm and Tarte palette. It has their Amazonian clay formula, but these are just not shades that like, I already have these multiple times over, so I'm just gonna give this away to like a friend or family member or something. Ooh, it does sink in really nice. It's a little sticky, but I think this is gonna be a good moisturizer, especially since I have dry skin. So yeah, the lip is nice. I can't wait to wear this like to work and stuff. It's almost like, it's not like sticky, but it's not like, it's definitely very hydrating. Definitely juicy. And yeah, I'm excited to try out the mascara. I have a lot open right now though, so I do like the Tarte Lip mascara, by the way. I use that every single day. And this is in a lot of sets too, which is awesome. I love how everything is full size in Boxycharm, especially Boxycharm Premium. I love the boxes. I got nothing to complain about it. The color's cute. And yeah, I'm excited to try everything. Look at that, giving away the eyeshadow palette, which I think this is really great about the boxes, is sometimes if you don't like something or you think it'd be better for someone else, you can always gift it. Great gifts. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you like what you got or you're excited about next month. Check out my TikTok for spoilers that I do, as well as I'm going to post my spoilers on here too, but I also post on Instagram regularly, but I love TikTok. It's just Vegan Brie 823. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.